Jib-jab! When the Pilgrims sailed, it was rough as it could be, and the motion of the ocean made them lose their teeth. It was rocky where they landed, but they had to build a town, and their belts were on their hats till their pants fell down. Some got the scurvy, some got the flu, some got the runs.
Yeah, quite a few.
Their food ran low, and their butts all froze, and they said,
"This Massachusetts winter blows."
Then a fellow named Squanto came along one day with a barrel full of corn, and they all said,
"Yeah, you can boil
You
it,
can bake it, store it in a jar.
and it makes clean ethanol to run your car."
They cleared the land, learned how to plow. Soon they were blessed with buttloads of chow, so they gave old Squanto and his friends a shout.
Hey guys, it's America, let's all pig out.
So they had a huge feast. There was turkey by the ton. There was stuffing, mashed potatoes, and they just begun. There was sweet potato pie. There was pumpkin too, and a green bean casserole that tasted like food.
Thanks for